Hey, good afternoon. Welcome to Happy Eats with Dave. Hey, today I'm making something short here. I have some leftover rice that I flattened down. I put it in my ice box. I cut them up into squares. I have some of that homemade bacon I made the other day. I got that Asian glaze that I made yesterday, and you can look it up on the video right here. So what I've done is I've taken that homemade bacon, take one of these, take the bacon and wrap it right around. That rice is sticky, so that bacon's going to stick right to it. We're just going to put it on there just like that. What we're going to do is we're going to bake these for about 25 minutes until they get a little bit of color to them. And while we're doing that, we're going to put that glaze on there. Right here. Just take it and just drizzle a little bit over top of it. Now, if the bacon won't stick, that's not a big deal. You take a toothpick and we put it right through the bacon. Like that. And then take a little bit of that glaze. Now the glaze is honey, sweet soy sauce, a little bit of apple cider vinegar, some teriyaki sauce, and some oyster sauce. Mix it all together and let it sit, and you put a nice glaze on there, and that's what they're going to look like. And this is what they're going to look like when they get done. And I'm telling you, they are delicious. They got that sweetness, smokiness from the bacon, the sweetness from the soy sauce. Just out of this world. Try it. It's a lot of fun. It's great for game day. Great for any kind of small get-together if you're looking to entertain some friends, some family. Throw them in the oven, 25 minutes, and you got yourself a hell of a snack. Alright folks, well I hope you like it. Subscribe, leave a comment below. Until then, have a great day and God bless.